Hello guys. Hello. Hope you guys can hear me. Just watching this price action right now on 1 minute time frame. Considering couple of scenarios right now, uh, that may played out. Mostly, I'll be on a 1 minute and 5 minute time frame chart. I hope you guys can hear me. Just let me know. Let me know if you guys can hear me. This is if you watch it right now. If you watch it right now. Let me check if you guys can hear me. Then we will go straight away toward the charts. Try to understand certain levels on price section on a Bitcoin. Uh, uh, just give me a sec. Oh, sorry, guys. I think so. Yeah. If you watch it right now, let me check if you guys can hear me. Then we will go straight. Okay, it's fine right now. I'm just watching and observing the charts right now. This is 1 minute time frame chart. We have a couple of scenarios. I'm really considering that we could be bullish from here toward upper side. We have seen after the new day opening in the London session, market was bullish. It did not fail to go below, continue to be bearish below this low. It went toward upper side, already disrupt all of those highs in play on locally. If you go to 15-minute time frame, I don't know why is this doing this with me. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope you guys can hear me now. Sometimes happens. So we was just trying to understand the levels in here. Yeah. Everything is back. Don't know. Everything is back. Don't know. So yeah, anticipating this kind of projection from the market to be bullish for all of those local highs on charts. Possible, may not be possible. I don't know. And the other thing I'm really thinking about more of like bearish case scenario as well on charts. We have been continue to creating low high at this range on charts. This is a 4 hour time frame fairly gap low as well, and this is a complete rejection. Market has been showing complete rejection at all of those levels on charts to the 4 hour time fairly gap as well. Look at this, the way it just went toward upper side again, show rejection gap as well. Look at this, the way it just went toward upper side again, show rejection from this range, going down from here. This is what I believe that this may play it out, considering the fact this is most of the people would not be thinking about this kind of projection on the market. I'm just thinking, can I go for a short? Just thinking, what it's 9:38 on a house, man. I should have to wait. Or can I go for a short? Because I was already anticipating a rejection from this range and then pull back to downward side. We have all of those lows and all of those lows, and this area could be the reason continuation to go downward side from here. Can I go for a short, or should I have to just anticipate or watch this price action? Just watching and observing, just thinking about right now, like if I really have to go for a short or no. Because I'm more of like reluctant to not to go to trade because it's just 9:38 on a house. It's just 8 minutes after the opening bell. We have a news at 2:45 coming up, so we have to be careful about that as well. Just thinking about, I was just thinking about, because I was already, because I'm in a more of like concern thinking about right now. Bearish case scenario. I've just explained to you bullish case scenario. All of those highs could be the reason for the market to be bullish. We have seen London session was bullish. New York session could be a continuation to upper side. Maybe from here we could be bullish. Maybe we come down to this 1 hour time frame fairly gap, then be bullish as well to this range as well. So I have these two possibilities on for more of like a bullish case scenario on charts. Keeping a have to keep an eye on 1 minute time frame chart in here as well, man. So this is not a good trade. I was just anticipating I can put my stop loss in the air, looking for all of those lows. Market could be going down, okay, all of those lows, but look at the bounce. I have to be careful now on the market. And for the bearish case scenario, I was just I'm just, maybe market has to knock those highs. Maybe market has to not to disrupt this high. Maybe market has to even though disrupt those highs as well on charts, and market has to be bearish from here, or market just go to the upper side, create another low high at this range, fail to go to the upper side, just knock the local low highs, and then be bearish as well for all of these lows and this area as well, which is also possible as a for the bearish case scenario. I will be not looking for these lows to be knocked off because these are quite far from price action from the market, and these lows has already disrupted all of those previous lows as well on charts. I don't think so. Maybe market could go down because overall we are bearish, but I will be very much content with the price action that could be market could be just going down to create another low high at this range and then try to be bullish as well all the way to the upper side. I'm leaning more for like for a quick scalps on a chart, considering we have not very really big news today on charts, and we have uh, this is the thing we have today on Powell's speaks today speech today at 5:30, which will be 12:35 on New York time. So we have this speech as well. Maybe we can anticipate a choppy price action in the New York section. Market has to wait for his speech, and then we will see how his speech reacted to the certain levels on a price action. Just watching and observing the charts right now, not doing anything. Look at this again. Market has shown rejection from this range. It's a rejection candle, and then let's see if this time it has the potential to disrupt all of those lows and this lows as well on charts. We'll be just watching and observing, not chasing the market, not trading anything. We'll be keeping an eye on charts. This is the thing. I have to read my rules on charts. These are my rules. Uh, I try to read all the time. There will be no aggressive trade, no revenge trade, not chasing the market, not chasing the top and the bottom. Stop by twice, no trade. Always take profit at closer possible level. If you don't know which way market will go, just sit still for now. Just trade one size. Let the trade run. So this is what we have done yesterday. I made a mistake. I did not let the trade run. I took the trade. Was like, oh, just go to whatever side. I was like, oh no, and then I closed my position. It went down. I was like, bro, it happens sometimes. But so it is very important to, if you knew something, like if you knew like this is the obvious trade, because it was not obvious as well for me. It was not obvious as well because it could have been bullish as well. That's why I closed my position. I was like, it is not really obvious to me that it could be going down from here. It could be bullish as well from here. I have to sit still and then go above the previous high. If you are seeing now, not really confident to go for a short because it is just the opening of, it's just a 9:35, and I have to wait for the news now. We have 2 minutes left for the news. I have to wait for the news, man. Could be going down from here. Could be going all the way down from here. Can't do anything about this. Maybe because of the news, market continue to be bearish. It is possible as well. But again, once more it has shown rejection from this range. Uh, just watching and observing. I don't want to chase the market right now. I can't go for a short right now. Went down, went down. Can't go for a short right now. I would say that I need. I'm looking for obvious moves on charts or obvious trades on charts. This is not seems to me obvious. Yeah, anything can happen. What do you think on a bigger picture time frame market has the potential to disrupt this low? Yeah, it could disrupt this low. This is what it is. I'm just thinking about right now. What most of the people would not be thinking about. Market just continue to create low high, lower high, and all of a sudden roll down. Usually, as a retail trader, what we think about market come down or market, if it has to go down, it has to go up, disrupt the previous highs, then go down. If it has to go up, it has to disrupt the previous lows, then go up. This is what trader mindset is. And I have seen so many times the market just create close highs, very close to each other, and all of a sudden roll down toward lower levels. This is what it is. I'm anticipating today as well. Maybe played out. Seems to me it is playing out. By the way, it has again show rejection, again create a lower high above the previous highs, below the previous highs, and then going down from here. Let's see if market continue to be bearish to disrupt this low and this area as well on charts. It is also possible that maybe it just has to have to disrupt this low, these lows, and then continue to be bullish as well. It's 9:45 on a house. We have to be very careful for that as well. We have to be very careful about that as well because we don't know right now which way market could go from here. This is a 5 minute time frame fairly gap, by the way. I have just highlighted in here. Market continue to be bearish for this low in this area. or it just may have to disrupt these lows and then could be bullish for all of those highs as well. Possible. If when there are too many possibilities, you have to. It's better. We have to be just sitting still. But can you go for a short right now? Look at this wick, man. Let's see. Let's wait for the market to close this candle. Now, for example, if it has to continue to be bearish from here, it should not have to go above this high. Now, this is a fair value gap. Market has already tapped into this. This is a fair value gap as well. If it closed above this high, I will be looking to buy for all of those highs. Do you think market could be bullish from here on bigger picture time frame? I don't know. Not sure. Not sure on 4 hour time frame. 30-minute time frame. If it closed like this, then we could be bullish, man. 15-minute time frame. To be careful, man. We have all of those highs in play. Is a reason for the reason is there. What reason is there to go down or to go up? Or do you think market will continue to be bearish from here? If it has to be continue to be bearish from here, it should not have to go above this high. Can I go for a short? Or should I have to just wait? It is possible that it just have to disrupt these local lows and then it will be bullish. Can I buy in here considering the fact that it failed to go to be bearish from here and it will be bullish from here? Sorry. I'm looking to buy. I can risk 2 contract. My stop loss will be initial stop loss will be below this low. Not always trade, man. Should have to wait. Should have to wait. Now should have to tends to be bullish from here. Not always trade. Not a very good trade. Can I put my real money to the account? Put my real money to not obvious trade, man. Not a good trade. Which I've taken because I've taken aggressive trade. Once it went above this candle high, I'll put my stop loss there. This is not a good trade. I would say that. Not a good trade. I have taken aggressive trade. I pushed myself for the aggressive trade. Can always get entered at this range if it has to be bullish. But I'm not sure like it is possible that it could again show rejection then come down as well. It may not have to do a V-shaped recovery. I went for a trade considering the fact it could do V-shaped recovery all the way to the upside, but the way we have seen yesterday, but it may not do that today. It is possible. If it has to do this, it should not have to go any of the 1 minute time frame below the previous lows. So which will be this one? Do you think on 30-minute time frame it could be bullish? It will close like that. It could be. It could be bullish from here. 1 hour time frame. Not a Western man. Should have already gone to the upside. If it should have not spent much time in here. If it has to do V-shaped recovery, should not have to spend much time in there, man. Should have to tends to be bullish from here. So far, we have seen rejection from this area. This area should have to go to the upside from here. This is not a very good trade. I would say that. Maybe out in a small loss. I wanted to close my position, man. I wanted to close my position. This is not a good trade. Can I go for sure? Can I go for a short or should I have to just sit still? Just reverse my position, or do you think this is just a choppy price action? Market will not go anywhere. This is also possible. This is also possible because we have a news at 12:30. This was a bad trade. I took a bad trade, really. I took a aggressive trade. I chased the market. So yeah, and you cannot just open the charts and be in front of the charts just a couple of minutes and look for trades. No, you have to anticipate, predict the market for at least 1 to 2 hours. Continue to watch, observe. Continue to watch, observe. What is it? Where is the volatility right now? Where is the momentum right now? What is it? It's trying to do. Just open. You went for a trade. Not a very good trade session. Still, it could be bullish from here. We cannot say like that. Can I buy in it considering the fact that just watching and observing, man. Let's see market not to go below this low now, and if bullish for all of those highs. Do you think on big picture time frame? 7 minutes left. It could be bullish from here. 30-minute time frame is more of like telling me it could be bullish from here. Just all of those highs. These local highs, maybe this high and maybe the previous high as well, 50% of the range as well. Also possible. Can I buy in here? My stop loss will be just below this low. We'll be looking for all of those highs in play. Oh, should have to just wait. Should have to just wait or just can I buy? My stop loss will be below this low. My stop loss is defined, yeah. Oh. Or do you think market will remain completely choppy? There's a volatility on the charts till now. This is complete choppy price action from the market, man. Be careful. I have 6 minutes left for the 15-minute after close and 30 minutes left. Can I buy? I can always buy above those highs, by the way. If it has to go toward the side. But buying in here, the market is still getting low highs, and then could be rolling down from here all the way toward that because this low has not been knocked as well. Still, this low. I'm just anticipating right now for bullish case scenario. My stop loss will be below this low. Um, I'm looking for a buy for all of those highs. Continuation toward upper side. Possible. I think we should have to wait for 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, or 1 hour close as well. They will give us give us a clear indication. But if you watch out 15-minute time frame, market may not have to go above any of those highs. It may not have to go above any of those. Maybe it has to roll down all the way toward low levels. That's why I'm very careful right now on charts. Look at this. Like at this point as well, it failed to really did not show any intent to go above this high, above those highs as well. We still have this low that could be knocked off. If this has been bullish, this should have to not to go. You show no intent to go below this. So it tends to be bullish from here. It means it really did not wants to go toward upper side from here. And I'm considering this is my top. If this is my top, this is the high. It should not have to go above this high. Let's see market continue to be bearish from here. Not to go above this high. Just watching and observing the charts, I'm leaning more of like bearish right now, considering it could roll down from here. Look at this. Have to be careful on charts, man. Today, have to be very careful on charts today, because so far it is a 956 on a house, and it has shown no intent to go above or below any of those lows. At some point, we was bullish, it went down. At some point, we was bearish, it went up. So more for like chop. I will be looking for quick scalp on charts. Can I buy? This is not ideal. And my sentiment is also not really a good. I would say that. We have 2 minutes left. I have to wait for this 1 hour time frame close, which will be this one. 4 hour time frame could be bullish. Then I will be looking for scalps only. Let's see if this time it has a potential to disrupt all of those highs, and then I want to see continuation toward upper side. Let's see. I think so. This is the model I can really backtest after disrupting or any of the previous highs or the previous lows on charts. I wanted to see continuation or reversal. This is the model I think I can work on really. If it has to be continue to be bullish, then you start stop loss, you look for buy. If it has to reverse, come back inside the range, you look for a sell. Anticipate the top, look for a sell. So this is the model I think I really have to work on. So right now, it is difficult to anticipate if really market has a potential to disrupt all of those highs. We don't know. If it has to disrupt all of those highs, it has to be continue to be bullish. We have one out of the closes done now. We have this 46 seconds left for the 15-minute time frame close and all that. Still, it is possible. Still, it is possible that it may not go above those highs. All of a sudden, roll down from here toward low levels. It is possible. Still, it is possible. But if it closes like that, maybe next hour we can anticipate a bullish cross section from the market. I would be anticipating market not to go below this previous 1 hour time frame low, which will be this one. Then it has to be 10 to be bullish on charts. I would be anticipating this is my bottom. Just watching and observing the charts doing nothing really. Uh, yeah, so we have this is the close we have done. So my stop loss is below this low now. If it has to go to the upper side, I'm looking for these highs. This high, maybe this high, maybe that high as well. To be knocked out. We should not have to go below this low. Let's see. It will do that, and this is also possible. This is also possible that maybe it has to not to go above any of those highs. Now everybody will be bullish. They will say, oh, this is the week, this is my bottom. Now they will send the price toward low levels. This is also possible as well. So I have to be very careful on charts. Now I'm just anticipating, for example, if it has to go toward upper side from here, this is the fair value gap. Look at this fair value gap. It should have to keep this fair value gap open. I have to highlight this one. This is 1 minute time frame fair value gap. It would have been great if you'd just tab into this or keep this fair value gap open. Tends to be bullish. Can I buy in here? The way it has just tabbed in this to this range, it will bullish look all of those highs, or should have to just wait. Just anticipating that the way it has created this week on charts, market should not have to go below this low. My stop loss will be tight. I can buy. Oh, it could feel very close to this. My stop loss will be quite tight. My stop loss will be quite tight. My stop loss is just here. I'm looking for all of those highs. And after that, I want to see continuation toward upper side. Maybe for this area, 113, 100, 113. This is quite obvious high. 113, 300, 299. This is very obvious high. 299 as well. I wanted to see that from charts. I don't know about on this chart in here. Where's this high ends? This time it should have to disrupt all of those highs. The high is at 236. Quite obvious high. You can say that. Uh, this high is yeah, I will be just looking for I have to be content with the closest of the closest possible trade. I'll be looking to take profit on all of my profit all of those high in here. 1013, maybe 1013 100, maybe 1013 300. This will be my last TP on charts. That's it. This is a quick scalp day. I think so. And maybe not as well. Maybe it got stopped out again. Don't know, man. Look at this. Like it will do like this when it has to remain choppy. It will do like always like this. Now I'm pretty much content with the first second that still it has not gone any of those above highs. Highs above the highs. Just keeping my stop loss there and anticipating a bullish price action. It should have never come down. Think I should have to close at break even. Think so. I should have to close at break even. This is not a nice candle. So far, so bad. Both of the trades, bad trades. I think it's better you just watch and observe the market. I think it's better you just sit still, watch, observe the market. That's it. Do not chase the market. I've taken two trades, bad trades, demo trades. First one was aggressive trade, second one was also aggressive trade. I did not want that. Just wanted to anticipate the price action initially. If that played out, and then we may look for continuation. That's it. So far, it's been like it has not gone any of the local above the local highs. It has not gone below the local lows. We'll be looking for to buy if we went above the local highs. Possible. Look at this now. It is going toward upper side. I think so. Look at this, man. This market is big as hell. Let's see if it continues to be bullish from here to 113,300. I wanted to do this in here. If you went for buy in here, you should have to take profit. This is good. This is good, by the way. Uh, just buy in here. I was put my stop loss in here. Close my position. It went to the upper side. Bad luck. You can't say anything. Can't do anything. I was not trading well today. I would say that I was just buying, selling, which is what I did not like to do actually. And we have to pay the price for this. And thankfully, it was just demo. But I did not chase myself for the real money trade, and I did not find myself confident to really put my real money into this kind of trade. Uh, I would say that still a lot to learn, a lot to learn, man, a lot to learn. Uh, yeah, I don't know nothing about trading, and yeah, and it is very important to keep your mind focused all the time. Be disciplined all the time. Think about trading all the time. What is happening, what is not, what is, even though you're not in front of the charge, your mind should be all the way to trading, chasing the goals you wanted to do. Put your heads down, locked in. This is what it is I'm really trying to do right now, like. But I would say this could have been a good scalp. You buy in here, you just keep your stop loss below this low, wait, watch it come down, try to knock you down, but still went toward upper side. You went for a quick scalp on a chart. We have to be careful on charts. I was just telling you, we will be looking for just a scalp. And toward upper side, you should put your stop loss in here. When it went above this, I was like, you have to take your profit. And then you can put your stop loss initial in there. When it created this low, went toward upper side, you put your stop loss in there. Look to close your position in there. We were just anticipating this high to be knocked off. That's it for now. And this is what it is like. This was a quick scalp trade. I would say that 12,800 to 13,200, more of like $400 move. That's it. Like that's it. You will be risking very small amount at this range you buy. You will be risking a very small amount chasing all that move on charts. If I'd say that if you go from here. So for example, if we buy in here initially. My stop loss was just in here below this low, below this candle low. We was looking for this high, more for like 8 hour. Very good trade. You was looking for this high to be knocked off. 7 hour. Very good trade. A day trade. You're in and out. That's it. This is what it is, like how it is you do the trading. You have to anticipate that what days they will be volatility on charts. You can anticipate a big move on charts and trade according to that. Today we was anticipating more of like a scalp trade. I was anticipating a scalp trade, and this is what it is market has given us today. Nothing more than that. If you watch your 5 minute time frame, look at this 5 minute time frame. This is not actual trading day, actual day trading day. Actual day trading day. This is not actual day trading day. If you watch it, look at this. It is 9:15, 10:15, and also 45 minutes. Market has opened. So 5 minute time frame as well. Not at all ideal trading environment to me. Uh, just went above this high. So why it did not continue to be bullish from here all the way toward upper side after knocking those highs as well? Why it's given us this massive week on a chart? It means it could be going down from here. I'm looking for the market that this is my top, and all of those lows I'm not really confident looking for this low to be knocked off. Let's see if it has a potential. It may play out, maybe not playing out. Could be aggressively bearish. If it has to be aggressively bearish, this is a fairly gap. Has to be close bearish and tends to be bearish from here. My my top is there. If top is there, high is there. Let's see how this candle close. So yeah. So this candle close inside, just have into this fairly gap in here, which is good. I wanted to see a downside price action from the market in here. Do you think on a bigger picture time frame market has a potential to do this? If it has closed on 15-minute time frame, could be possible. I have 13 minutes left for the 30-minute time frame close. 43 minutes left. Could be good. Could be going down from here. This four out of really gap as well in here. Could be going down from here. I'll extend this one. Can I go for short? Can I go for short considering the fact that this is a top on just market will be very short. Here it has never just do upside. It did not continue to be bullish. Considering that I was just explaining to you after knocking those highs, I want to see continuation toward upward side. If it did not continue to be bullish, show rejection, come down, we will be looking for reversal trades. And it has not continued to be bullish, it has shown come down. Now I'm looking for a reversal trade for all of those lows and up till this area, maybe this area as well. I'm anticipating this is my top. Maybe it is possible it could make a one more leg toward upper side, disrupt this side, then go down. It is also possible if this is the top, this is the high, this is the high as well. Just anticipating or predicting the market doing nothing. So this is the fair value gap. I'm anticipating that it should not have my stop loss is above this high, tends to be bearish from here. It should have to. Can I put my stop loss above this high? Looking for these lows. I'm just anticipating. Okay, we're not taking any trade now for now. I'm not confident to take any kind of trade right now. I'm anticipating this is the top, this is the high, this is the high. Market should not have to go above this high. Tends to be bearish from here. So, guys, hello, hello. Sorry about that. I did not really speak. I was trying to focus on charts. Uh, so far, it's not a bad session. Was anticipating a scalp. We can say that after the opening, this was the buy. All of those highs, quick scalp in here. When you realize that market may not be continue to be bullish from here, you anticipate a reversal from here. We have all of those lows. Could be the reason for the market to be bearish. And then I highlight this 1 minute after early gap. I was like, if this is a reversal, this is a top, and if it has to be aggressively going down from here, and this is the fairly gap, this is the high. It should not have to go above. I was looking for go for a short, but did not went for a short in here. Went down from this range. Was trading at this low. We went for a short in here, looking for all of those local lows in this area. When it created this week at this range, I put my stop loss in here. When I come down this range, I close my position in here. So far, start with protection from the market. This is what I was looking for. But overall, I would say from here to all the way in here could have been a good scalp reversal. We trade reversal today. So reversal should be aggressive. Aggressive, it means like it should have to respect 1 minute time frame periods and tends to be bearish. And this is what we have seen today. It did not show any intent to go above any of the 1 minute time frame periods. Not in here as well. Continue to be aggressive to knock the previous all of those lows on charts. So we have to be content with the closest possible level of trade on charts. So far, I would say that initially we made some mistakes. So far, initially, I would say that we made some mistakes. We made some bad trades. Initially, going for a short in here, going for a buy in here, in here, put my stop loss below this low, close my position, but it still went toward opposite. Uh, Unlucky today again. Second trade, third trade we took in here. Go for a short. Going for a short to this 1 hour time frame early gap as well, which played out well. Overall, a negative day, but negative case 196, 135 we lost on first two trades. It was the big size trade. The last trade we took with the one small trade with this one. So so far it's fine. So like a loss of my god, like $100. So now I'm more of like thinking about two possibilities. Maybe continuation to go downside. This if this is the top, we can say that it should have to invert this 1 hour time frame fairly gap chart to go to this area. Maybe I would be not looking for these lows. Maybe market not to go below those lows, but it could go to 112,400, 112,200 as well from here. Possible. We have a Paul speech as well today at 5:35. We have to be careful with this as well. Maybe for that, because of the speech, market continue to be bearish, or market could reverse from here all the way toward upper side as well, which is also possible. We don't need this for now, and we don't need even this. I'll just keep this even for now. So still anticipating this is the top on charts. This is if this is the top. These are all of those highs. It should not have to go above. This is the previous high, not have to go above. But anticipating market should have to continue to be bearish from here because we have done what it has to do on upper side. Now market has to go down toward. We'll be not looking for these lows to be knocked off. I'll be looking for 112, 400 or 200 to the range to from the market to be going down into this range on charts. Let's see if it has a potential to, but it is also possible that because it's a 1 hour time frame fairly gap, it could try to hold this area, then be bullish, try to be bullish as well, and then create low high, then try to be bearish as well. This is also possible as well from charts. For a quick scalp for the day today, this was it trade. For a quick scalp for the yesterday, I would say that technically speaking, for a day trade, yesterday and today it was not at all an ideal trading day. You can look for a quick scalps on a charts. That's it, in and out. But for I would say that for a day trade, it was not at all a good trading day yesterday and today as well. So this is what I'm really trying to learn as well right now because it's most of the time We have seen so many times the market remain completely choppy or sideways. In that case scenario, you can look for scalps on charts. This is what it is I'm learning right now. Like if you anticipate today could be sideways choppy, then you look for the scalp trades on charts if that played out. I do not remember if yesterday we buy. Yeah, yesterday was buy in here for a quick scalp for all of those highs to this area we have. That's it. Mm, yeah, which is what we missed, I think. So yeah, we missed this trade. Yesterday I did not take any trade. Yeah. We took a trade yesterday. I forgot. We took a trade yesterday. Yeah, we went for a shot in here, and yeah, was looking for all of those lows to be knocked off. Let's close our position, and then it went down. This could have been a buy. This could have been a short, a quick scalp. But I would say today initially was not a good trading day. But we'll be watching this afternoon session. We'll see how it goes on the in the afternoon session. Market could perform. So I think I should have to finish this live stream, guys. More of like today's morning session is done. I'm just watching and observing the charts. If market not to go above these highs, continue to be bearish or holding this area, try to be bullish as well. Bigger time frame, it could hold this area because this is a 1 hour time frame very gap. I don't know, man. I'm getting sleep. It's 1 hour time frame fairly gap. Man, market could hold this 3 minutes left. We have next 1 hour. We have this one 4 hour time frame close as well. Market may not go above this high. Next 4 hour time frame candle. So it may if it may not go above this high, it could be bearish. Market is more of like boring right now, guys. Um, we'll see how it goes. We'll tomorrow. I may not be able to do live stream. I have to go tomorrow after a job interview. Tomorrow I'll be watching the charts maybe outside the home. I'll take my laptop and something else, and then we'll see how it goes. I will let you guys know what will happen tomorrow, and then we'll be chasing something. We'll be chasing ourselves. Look at this going down from here. We're just anticipating not to go above any of the previous highs, continue to be bearish, because we have a reason. Like we have done what it has to do on upper side. We could be going down from here. We'll be not looking for these lows. Could be going down from 112 400 to 112 200 from here. Can't it is not I cannot look for go for a short right now, considering the fact that it could hold this area, try to make a retest and then come down as well, which is also possible. So let's see how it goes right now. So for example, if it has to continue to be bearish from here, 112 200, maybe 112k from here, these are the previous highs. It should not have to go above the previous highs. This is the previous high now. Let's see if market continue to be bearish from here. Just watching and observing the charts. I'll see you guys. If not tomorrow, we'll come back on Thursday. We'll see how it goes. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.